learn about our topic number 121, free function in C language. So let's look at dynamic memory allocation. So in the previous video we have learned about that how the realloc function is going to allocate a dynamic memory allocation. Now in this video we are going to learn about that how to free up the space which was dynamically allocated. Okay, so let's look at dynamic memory allocation. So in the previous video we have learned about the malloc, calloc and the realloc function. Now it's time to learn about the free space. And free function, we can say it is used to free up the space which was allocated dynamically. So let's look at. So here is the chart in which I have already told you about the malloc, calloc, realloc function. Now it's time to learn about the free function, which help us to free up the space which was dynamically allocated. So let's look at free function. Free function in C language. So free function frees the allocated memory by malloc, calloc function and returns the memory to the system. So this is the work of free function. Actually, it is the function of dynamic memory allocation which frees up the allocated memory which was created by the malloc function, calloc function, realloc function and returns the memory to the system. So let's look at the programs related to the free function in C language. So here is the program. I am going to discuss about the program for the free function in C language. So let's look at. This is the program in which I uses the concept of the free function. So first of all, you have to initialize, we can say declare your header file above the main function. So that is I am declaring hashtag include studio.h, hashtag include string.h and hashtag include studiolib.h. So these all are the header files that I have declared. After the declaration of the header file, I am declaring the main function here and its return type is integer here. So it is going to return us integer value. Okay. After then, I am opening my main function here and you can see this is a pointer mem underscore allocation which is of a type character. So this pointer is of a type character, so it is going to carry only character only. After then, I am just allocating the memory. I am just allocating the memory and which is dynamically allocated with the help of a malloc function. Here you can see. So 20 byte of memory is going to be allocated in the mem underscore allocation variable, which is a pointer variable which can store only character data type. And I am using the concept that if mem underscore allocation is going to be null pointer, it means it could not be able to allocate requested amount of memory. Okay. Otherwise, in any other case, this function is going to execute and this is the string handling function. Its work is to copy the string. This is the strcpy function. Its work is to copy the string. So whatever the string that is here is Amrit. It is going to be copied here in the mem underscore allocation, which is the dynamically memory allocation. We can say dynamically memory allocation variable, or we can say pointer, with the help of a malloc function, which was created with the help of a malloc function, and it contains a space that is 20 byte of space in it. So this is going, then after the strcpy is going to execute, I am just printing the mem underscore allocation which is carrying the string that is Amrit here. Therefore, the system is going to print dynamically allocated memory content Amrit. Then the main concept come here about the thing is that free function. So mem underscore allocation is a pointer name and this is a free function. So it actually frees up the allocated memory which was created during the execution of the program, with the help of a function. Here you can see malloc function. So frees up, we can say free function help us to free the memory. So this is the work of the free function, is to freeze the allocated memory which was created during the execution of the program and return to the system. So this was all about the free function, and you can see the output here that dynamically allocated memory content is going to give us Amrit here. So this is the main working and the working principle of free function is to freeze up the allocated memory which was created during the execution of the program. So this was all about the free function. So thanks for watching. Dhanyavad.